In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Meet with a link or code step by step. If you've been invited to a Google Meet and you're not sure how to get in, don't worry. There are two simple ways to join, by using a meeting link or by entering a meeting code. I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that matches the invitation you received. Let's start with joining through a meeting link. First, open the Google Meet link that was sent to you. You might receive it through email, a messaging app, or a calendar invite. Once you tap or click the link, your device may ask whether you want to open it in the Google Meet app or in your web browser. Either option works, so just choose the one that's most convenient for you. Next, if the meeting organizer requires it, sign in with your Google account. This is important because some meetings only allow access to signed in users. After that, you'll usually be taken to a preview screen before entering the meeting. This is where you can check your microphone and camera settings. If you want to speak right away, make sure your microphone is on. If you'd rather join quietly at first, you can turn it off. The same goes for your camera. Turn it on if you want others to see you, or leave it off if you prefer. When everything looks good, tap or click join or ask to join. If the meeting has restricted access, you may need to wait a few moments for the organizer to admit you. Once approved, you'll be in the meeting. Now let's look at the second method, which is joining with a meeting code. Start by opening the Google Meet app on your phone or tablet, or go to the Google Meet website in your browser. On the main screen, choose the option that says Join with a code. Then enter the meeting code exactly as it was provided. Be careful to type it correctly, since even a small mistake can prevent you from joining the right meeting. After entering the code, tap Join to continue. You'll then see the same preview area where you can review your settings. Take a moment to turn your microphone and camera on or off, depending on how you want to enter the meeting. When you're ready, tap or click join or ask to join. If the meeting is restricted, just wait until the organizer lets you in, and that's it. Whether you're using a link or a code, joining a Google Meet is quick and easy once you know where to click.